Alright, what you're looking at is a power divider on a Spicer differential. Problem was, truck was like skipping, you know. You put some power to it, it started skipping. So I want y'all to see what I found. Okay, this is what they call a nest gear. They call it a nest gear because it looks like a nest, like a hornet's nest or something. But anyway, it looks okay, but it's got some damage. Here's the real damage. This gear here, the nest gear locks into this gear, which locks into this gear here, which turns the rear differential and the front differential. So we're gonna change this gear and the nest gear, and we'll be good to go. I already remove the snap ring, so I can just slide this off and put a new one on. And then it'll be good to go. So always check your power divider.